women in technology are incapable. This is the kind of myth and glass ceilings that exist for women in technology, because of which careers of many powerful, confident, capable women get stuck. Now, if your career is stuck because of these kind of myths and glass ceilings, I invite you to implement 3 powerful techniques that have helped many ladies in technology to grow phenomenally in their careers. 1. Build your brand as a powerful, great technology leader, not just as an individual contributor or a junior technology resource. 2nd, learn to pitch shamelessly for positions and roles that are higher and powerful technology roles, so that you can build a career at senior levels. 3rd, learn to deal with challenges in a very strategic way and use the tactics to deal with the toughest challenges, so that people see you as a very strategic and very tactfully sound leader in those big positions and roles. Thousands of ladies have been already practicing this and have built phenomenal technology careers. If you are committed to practice them, join our masterclass today and keep winning. Register now.